This is my first video of YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to play Among Us. So we'll just tap on the app and start it. So the game has started. Now we have to wait for a second. Okay guys, so first if you don't know how to play the game, so we'll go in free play and select the map. There are 3 types of different map. Let's play the speed. So okay, here like my name is Ali, so I have put, and you can also select different colors in your game. And in the free play there's a laptop kind of thing on the table, so you can customize yourself like the tasks. And if you want to be a imposter, then click on this. Okay, now you're a imposter. And if you don't know how to be play as an imposter, okay, so the imposter, there are 10 people in the game, and there are 1, 2 or 3 posters. There are 3 different types of games. So okay, you have to kill somebody, and if people see you to kill somebody, they will press the emergency button, and they will vote you that you are the imposter and you will lose. So don't kill somebody in front of someone. Okay, so as this is a free play, so we are alone, and we'll find some dummies here like this W5. We'll get the option of kill, and we'll press it. We will kill them, and we can also report the body, and other players can also report the body. Okay, just sabotage B2, close the doors, or like electrical, the light will go out, so the other people can but not you, they can only see his surrounding. Okay, guys, this is how to play Among Us in free play. Now I'm going to show you how to. So okay, you'll find the gifts, and you can also select the maps, the speed, wallet, active. I have select and imposters. I want 2 imposters. Okay, I'm gonna select like this. Okay, the game is full, so you will select someone else like this. Okay, so I'm in the game. There are other people in the game. This is an online game, so there are other people also in the game. So when the host will start the game, it will continue, and you can also chat with other players like this. Okay, the people are coming, so it has been 7 people. So let's say the host that start the game. Okay, so he's starting the game. So the game has started with 10 players. Okay, so there will be a talking on the human and the 2 person among us. The imposters know that they are imposters. So we have to do tasks like this is my task. I'll do it. People can kill me, so I have to be careful with them. Okay, I can walk. Like that is scanning. Okay, so we'll go. The imposters do not have tasks. But they just have to kill everyone. Okay, so the lights have gone. The imposters have off the lights. So we'll fix the lights. Other people have also come to fix the lights. Okay. Okay, so the lights are not fixed yet. So the lights are fixed. Now we have to go. Let's find our task and complete them. When all the tasks are completed, the crewmates win, and you can also press the emergency button if you see that the imposter has killed somebody like this. Okay, I don't have any emergency buttons left. So if I see a body, I will report it. There are usually 1 emergency button for everyone. Like, okay, this is my task, so I will do it. Okay. So 11457. 11457. Okay. Okay, a dead body has been reported. So let's see who did it. Okay. Okay, so they are saying that Syed Khalid killed the body, so I will vote him. There are only 10 seconds for voting. there are other seconds for voting in the other games, but in this game there are only 10 seconds. The people will vote if there are many votes on Siraj. Okay, all the people voted on Siraj except one. And itself, let's see, was he the imposter or not? Okay, he was an imposter. Just one imposter left now. Okay, there's an we have to fix it because the imposter have done it. Okay, we have to wait for a second. We have to fix our crewmate has so we'll go do our task. So imposters can also use reds, but I'm not, so I cannot use red. Oh, okay. Another dead body reported. That 1, 2, 3 people, 4 people here. You have to get the imposter. Okay, so who? Yeah, so he saw white red. So any imposters can vote, so I will vote white. There are only 10 seconds left. The other people will vote too. Okay, so only 2 people voted and they were dead, so he will be out. You can also this vote. Okay, he was not an imposter. Okay, that's the question. Okay, another. Okay, what happened? Oh yes, we won. He left the game. The imposter left the game. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the game. So please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up. This is my first YouTube video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed, please like it and subscribe my channel. Bye.